Now, how to generate and edit images with Reve AI, best AI image generator.
And to generate an image, what you do now is you click on this place here. Let me type something and then generate it. And here you can see what I type here.
Create a sketch of a woman standing on swimming pool.
And what you do now is send it here by clicking this icon for it to generate here. This is one of the hidden features. You can see here it is generating it now. Here you can see how it's created the sketch here. But also know that you have to be specific in your description. In your prompt description, you have to create exact here. But you can see how beautiful the sketch is here. It creates it in 4 parts here. You can select anyone by clicking on it like this.
You can edit the generated image here. That's one of the features that make the Reve AI different. You can see and edit it here and change anything on the image. The image is just editable here. Now you can also edit the entire prompt here by clicking on this generating an image, and here edit the entire prompt here. After editing the entire prompt here, like adding something to the prompt, what you do now is to click on this remix here after editing it here, and then wait for it to enhance the prompt and then give you a better look of what you generated or what you type for it to generate for you here. Wait for it after it's here. Now what you do now is here, click on apply here, not apply the change here, and then wait for it to generate here. See how it enhances it. You can see how it change it after remixing the prompt here. After adding up the prompt, you can see how it enhances. You can see the prompt here. Now here also it is also editable. You can edit it by clicking on the editing icon on the side of the image here, and then click on apply after editing the generated image. That's how to generate and edit image with Reve AI. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more Reve AI updates and also for more helpful tech tutorial. Now see you on the next video.